children, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about money. What is money? Can anyone say what is money? Money is something such as coins or notes used as a way to pay for goods and services and to pay people for their work is called money. Each country has its own currency or money, but they have different names, such as America's dollar, England, pound, etc. Can anyone say what is the currency of Indian money? Yes, Indian currency is called rupee, and the sub units of rupee is paise. So 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? 100 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 2 rupees is equal to 2 rupees is equal to how much? 2 into 100. Right? 2 into 100 pies. That means 200 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 2 rupees is equal to 200 pies. Isn't it? Yes. So this is the symbol for rupee. Right? We will represent pies as small p. Got it? Yes. We can add, subtract, multiply and divide rupees. Now let us see how can we add money. Now let us add 24 rupees 50 pies and 46 rupees 25 pies. So to add money, we have to write money amounts one below the other. See, 24.50 plus rupees. But when we are writing money amounts one below the other, we should take care that the decimal point should lie one below the other exactly like this. Okay. Now let us add. Now we will add this money as we add the normal other numbers. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 1 carrying and 0 here. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 70 rupees, 75 pies. So at the end we should take care that the decimal point should lie the same. See, after 2 digits, the decimal point should be there. So we should take it that the decimal point should lie in the same place. In this way, we have to add money. Now let us see how we can subtract money. Rupees 50, 50 rupees, 50 pies minus 36 rupees, 25 pies. So first we need to write money amount one below the other as we did for addition. 50 rupees, 50 pies minus 36 rupees, 25 pies, taking care of decimal so that the decimal should lie exactly one below the other. Now we have to subtract as we subtract for other normal numbers. So 0 minus 5 we can't do, so we have to take borrow. So 0 becomes 10, 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Very good. Now 0 minus 6 we can't do, so we have to take borrow. 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 14 rupees 25 pies is the answer. In this way we have to subtract money. Now let us see how we can multiply money. Rupees 25.50. First we have to write money amount and then the multiplier vertically as shown here. Okay, like this. And we have to multiply as usually we multiply the other numbers. 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. 3 carrying and 0 here. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 3 carrying, 3 here. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Right? Now what we have to do is, we should put the decimal point, isn't it? So here we have decimal point after 2 digits, isn't it? So in the answer, we have to put decimal point after 2 digits from the right. That means 1, 2. So we have to put the decimal point here. In this way, we have to multiply money. Now let us see how we can divide money in the usual way as we do division for other numbers. Now let us write dividend here. Rupees 340 here and the divisor here, right? So the one thing we have to take care is, we have to put the decimal point in the quotient just above the point in division, in the dividend. Okay, now let us do division. We have 34 here. Yeah. Do we get 34 in 8 table? No. 8 fours are 32, right? So 8 fours are 32. Now we have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we have to bring the next number down. Do we get 20 in 8 table? No. So what is the least number which is less than 20 in 8 table? Right. 8 twos are 16 minus. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So 1 minus 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So now what we have to do is, we have to bring the next number down. But here we have decimal point. So we will put decimal point in the quotient also. So do we get 40 in 8 table? Yes. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So bring the next number down. 0. So when we get 0 in 8 table, 8 zeros are 0, right? So 0 minus 0 is 0. What is the quotient here? 42 rupees 50 pies. So in this way, we have to do division of money. So what all we have learned in today's class? What is money, how to add money, how to subtract money, how to multiply money, and how to divide money. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you.